Hola! Hello everyone! Let's learn about family today. My family, which is called mi familia. Mother is called madre. Father is called padre. Grandfather is called abuelo. Grandmother is called abuela. Son is called hijo and daughter is called hija. The H remains silent, and a basic difference that you can see is generally masculine is always ending with O and feminine is ending with A. Some more relationships. Brother-in-law is called cuñado. Sister-in-law is called cuñada. Nephew is called sobrino. Niece is called sobrina. Uncle is called tío and aunt is called tía. Cousin, if it's a brother, then it's primo, and if it's a sister, it is prima. If you like the video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Gracias!